promise! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Super! That was off the rails! Choose a new toy! Let's go find that toy! I love that! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the town square station. Super! Just slice or tap it to open. Right leads to the tunnel. Right leads to the tunnel. Left leads the tunnel is nearby. Right leads to the boulder cliffs. Left leads to Left leads to the boulder. We're almost at the town square. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Right leads. Left leads to McCall's farm is coming up. Choose your engine. This is your toy collection. Here you can see. Lights out. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into their pen. Super duper! Just well done! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find a new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Choose your engine. This is your toy collection. Lights on. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. That's perfect. We're always happy to help. Pick any toy you'd like. Let's go find that toy! Which way do you want to go? Left leads to Cannonball Curve. Forward leads to next stop, Kid Mouse Sheds. We can't wait to get started. Use the wheel to spin the track. That's the way. Good job! That was off the rails! Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy! Where to now? Left leads to the Sodor Steamworks. Right leads to Brendam Dock. The Steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the Steamworks. Thanks for helping out. Choose a new toy. Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Right leads to, let's go to the big bridge. Left leads to the big bridge. Let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. Again! Which toy will you choose now? Let's go find that toy! Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. Excellent! Excellent! That was off the rails! Where to now? Forward,